All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you for um thank you to those of you that's been very consistent. It's amazing seeing all of you, but those of you on on Zoom and those of you on YouTube, I can see all of you. So welcome to day 8. Welcome to day 8. Uh, Day 1 to day 5, we had amazing sections. Day 6 was an exclusive section for career people, and I had a very amazing time with them. And there'll be a sequel to that section next Sunday, or this Sunday we're going to. And I have a good news for us, for those of us that was in that section. A very interesting thing that is going to be happening. So thanks everyone that's been very consistent. Yusuf Bunya, well done. I can see you. Well done. All right, Monica, Tamuna Esther, well done, every one of you. Summer Queen, yeah. So, okay. So today, so let me give us heads up. This is day 8. So by day 10, we're going to start embarking on our 10 days AI challenge. It's a very compulsory challenge that you must complete and follow through. Once you notice that you did not complete it, you did not participate, just be sure that you can follow through the training, but be sure that we're not going to certify you. We're not going to, and all those stuff. It's very compulsory. Within those 10 days, we're expected to be exploring a couple of AI tools from the ones we know already, ChatGPT, down to couple of them. Most times we're going to combine more than one tools. We're going to explore some other tools like Tiny Pitch, and all of those. So it's going to be very amazing. It's going to be amazing. So today we're going to be doing something very important. It's going to be hands-on. All right. We've learned so much about prompt engineering, different techniques of prompting and all. So today we're going to try out to see some things. We're going to be exploring some AI tools, generative AI tools. But then at the core, we just want to see how to prompt. We're going to freestyle prompting. Everyone is going to contribute. Nothing extraordinary. So it's not a case of this person was right or wrong. So you don't have to try to beat the system or anything. So I'm going to give us 5 minutes or more, maybe. I need us to, if you have ChatGPT, that's fine. I'll need you to create an account with DeepSeek. I also need you to create an account with Google AI Studio. I'll need you to create an account with Claude. You can just use your Chrome for now. If you're going to have issues downloading some of them that already does have an app. I'll also like you to create an account with Dollar. Dollar is DOLA.com. We just want to look at those. There is more, but we just want to do something tonight. And once we're done with what we do, we're going to be exploring the big 6 in the AI space, just to give you an idea of what we're really, really up to. So let's go, guys. This is the account we've been using before now. No, Dollar, DOLA. Etidara, DOLA. So we are doing ChatGPT. Summer Queen. So since you're saying it should be written, so help me to write them. Number 1, ChatGPT. Number 2, DeepSeek. ChatGPT.com will give you what we're looking for. DeepSeek. Number 3, AI Google Studio. AI Google Studio. Number 4, Claude. Number 4, Claude. Number 5, Dollar.com. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Tidara. So quickly, let's do that. Let's do that. Mhm. Summer Queen, you don't need to download. You can just go to Chrome and sign up. Etidara, if you just go to your Chrome and search for Google AI Studio, you will see it. It's a Google product, so it's easy for you to sign up with your Gmail. So it's a Google product. It's a whole lot easier for you to sign up with your Gmail. Yeah, that's fine. Yusuf Bunya, that's fine. If you see that, that's fine. All right, guys. So let's get to work. Like I said, we're doing something pretty much simple tonight. It's just to get our hands dirty and understand certain things. Very simple stuff. We're not we're not it's not like, I don't know how to explain this, but you've known me already now, and I believe that you can be free and very vulnerable. We want to learn, so let's learn accordingly. And I believe those of us on YouTube, um, you're following. And so guys, let me just check. You know, we always have people on YouTube, so we need to make sure they're okay. So let's start off with your let's start off with ChatGPT. So this is the prompt we want to create. Listen carefully. We're going to start with something pretty simple. And what we're going to do is that we're going to build up on somebody. All right. So I'm going to be using some persons on the call. All right. And everyone is free to contribute, but I'm just going to be using some specific persons, and like that, every other person can be joining in. So until we get what we're looking out for. So let's say we want to prepare, let's say we want to do some sort of business. Want to, develop some sort of business proposal. Okay. All right. Or we want to get a document. We want to do some sort of document for, businesses or a business. Okay. We want AI to help us generate something like that, for business. So So we want to be able to, ask it to give us what we want. Okay. So let's say we want to design a business. Okay. We want to design a business, and let me give it to you like this. Etida, you help me type this. I'm being very specific. So, like I said, everyone is going to contribute. So, those of you on YouTube, someone can also help me write this down. So, Etida, let's say you've just received 10 million naira from an investor to build a startup. So go ahead, type that down for me. Please, this is not the prompt. This is our reality. This is the situation we're in. All right. Etidara, you can call it, and what should we call it? We can call it the scenario, or we can call it the situation or the task. Okay. So you can say we just received 10 million naira from an investor to build a startup. So you just received 10 million. Etidara, you can put that down so that I can be seeing it, because I'm crafting it from my head. So Etidara, thank you. I prefer you say we. So I prefer you say we have just received them, so we'll just be carried. So we have just received 10 million naira from an investor to build a startup. Startup is always one word. All right. Let's say we have 90 days to launch. We have 90 days to launch. We have 90 days to launch. And let's say our mission is to use AI to design a complete business. Our mission is to use AI to design a complete business. So this is what we're going to do. This is really going to be very interesting. So um, I'm going to give each person now some persons. I'm going to mention you. Once I mention you, and I tell you your okay, let me see if it Betidara has it. Okay, thank you. Ruth, thank you. Betidara, thank you. Said our mission is to use AI to design a complete business. So, guys, this is not the prompt. And this is where you know now that this is not the mistake you can afford to make anymore. This is where people get it wrong. This is what we have before us. And you're not a prompt engineer if you're just going to put this into AI. Oh God, I've gotten 10 million and I want to, and I have 90 days to. No. It means you're not thinking. It means you're not so ready to work. All right. It means you don't even understand how powerful your brain is. So what we need to do, we're going to take it step by step. We're going to take it step by step. Okay. So let's go. Ruth, 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 your job is to be documenting the steps for us. So when we're done, you'll be able to give us all the steps, but you can be writing it down in the chat. But when we're done, you give us all the steps, like just the headers for the step. So the first step we're going to take is to, someone said I'm not sharing my screen. There is nothing to see on the screen yet. Favor. I'm joining with my other device, but there's nothing to see on the screen yet. So just follow through, please. Thank you. Please, okay, yeah. So I'll be very glad if we just focus on what we're doing now and don't drop messages that will distract us. I'm trying to craft this whole thing from my head, so I would really like to concentrate as much as possible. So thank you, Etidar and Ruth, so far. Thank you, Angela Zobari. Thank you as well. So we're going to take it step by step. Well, like I said, step one is that we're going to choose an industry. So to do this, I want us to choose an industry. We're going to choose an industry, and so that's step one. Ruth, don't forget that's your task. You're writing the industry for us. Sorry, you're writing the steps for us. Sorry, Ruth. Yeah, step one, choose an industry. So I'm going to call some persons, maybe about 10 persons or so. I will give you your industry. Once I call your industry and give to you, just type it and drop it. Unless you're not on the call, just type it. If, for example, if I call you and say your industry is maybe agriculture, just go type agriculture so that everybody will see. Don't please do me a favor, don't type anything else in the chat box so that we can follow this through. Okay, I trust us to be disciplined enough to follow this. So just a minute, I want to be able to see. I want to get to the participants. So let's start with Barilogi Iyetu, please. If you're on the call, agriculture. So just go to the chat box, type agriculture. Just type agriculture. Just type agriculture. Daniel, your healthcare. Daniel, healthcare. Emmanuel Christopher. Please, Happiness and Salem, do me a favor. Please, you guys do me a favor to just follow instruction tonight. We're trying to work as a team, and it's not going to be easy to try to set it up. So help me to just stick to instruction. Um, so let me do this. Summer, no, where is let me do this. Just a minute, guys. Okay, yeah. Summer Queen, please, I'm gonna try to make you a co-host. Can you hear me? I'm gonna try to make you a co-host. Um, so in case there are chats in between what we're doing now, just delete them. Okay, I want only the categories to be there for now. So let me proceed. So we have agriculture, Barilogi. Um, Okay, so I see where this confusion is coming from. We had two Daniel. So I'm referring to the first Daniel. Okay, so I'll delete the second Daniel. Thank you. So Barilogi Agriculture, Daniel, I said your healthcare, and I think Emmanuel Christopher, I said your education. I don't know if that's what I gave, but take education. It's either logistics, favor, good luck, real estate, favor, good luck, real estate. Gideon Iwawa, fashion. What else? What else? Gloria Jaja, tourism. Gloria Jaja, tourism. Grace Nso, let's do finance. Grace Nso, let's do finance. Happiness and Salem, let's do sport. Hope Ambassador, let's do entertainment. Please, Grace Nso. Who did I call after Grace Nso? Yeah, so happiness, I can't even remember what I gave to her, but happiness, I gave you something, but I can't see there. Hope Ambassador, thank you. Entertainment. Uh, yeah, well done, Summer Queen, well done. I can see what you're doing right there. Thank you. Imite of Fortune. Imite of Fortune. Let's do food delivery. Food delivery. Imite of Fortune. Let's do food delivery. Jumbo Patience. Jumbo patience. Jumbo patience. We're gonna do consultancy. We're going to do consultancy. Then Kwani Donabari. Kwani Donobari. Kwani Donobari. Let's do events. Let's do event planning. Event planning. Kwani Donabari, let's do event planning. Lady BB. Lady BB, let's do electronics. Lady BB, let's do electronics. Ngozi, let's do cleaning agency. Nimi, let's do tech academy for kids. Tech academy for kids. OGEDS, OGEDS4. I've told you guys to try to rename your name to something I can see. I know this is what you've always used, but it's fine. OGEDS. Let's do interior design. Interior design. Let's do interior design. Nwaiwu Michael. Nwaiwu Michael. Let's do transportation. Let's do intrastate transportation. Intrastate transportation. Or intracity transportation. Intracity transportation. So I wanted to do 10, but let me just try to do maybe more too. Let's do Peace Sunday. Let's do Peace Sunday. While we were doing intrastate, we're doing intrastate transportation. I don't think, were you the one I gave interior design? Are you sure? Okay. Riches. Riches. Uh, I saw Riches on the corner, but I can't see Riches anymore. So Rose Jonah. Rose Jonah. Rose Jonah. Let's do Let's do furniture, Rose Jonah. Let's do furniture. Tamunofori Esther, let's do Tech Academy for secondary school teachers. Tech Academy for secondary school teachers. Summer Queen, thank you so much. You're doing an amazing job. Thank you. And then let's end with Ubong Thomas. Ubong Thomas, let's do solar. Solar installation, even if that money is small, but let's do solar installation. Solar installation. No, okay, terminal for ESA is fine. Although I say secondary school teachers, please. But even if you want to say secondary school student, put the school there, so we'll be clear. And Yusuf Bunya, let's do oil and gas consultancy firm. Please, the owner of Xiaomi, the person bearing Xiaomi 2506, please, if you do this next time, I'll remove you on the call. Thank you. All right, we'll take it there. We'll stop there. Now, listen, remember we said step one is that we pick a category. Remember that what we're working on is that we have just received 10 million naira from an investor to build a startup. We have 90 days to launch. Our mission is to use AI to design a complete business. Now, this is what I need everyone to do. Please listen carefully. Listen carefully. We have loads of them. Esther, how many are there? How many industries did we pick? Summer Queen, rather. Please, those of you saying I didn't hear my name, you weren't picked. Obviously, you weren't on the call when we started. The wise thing to do is just stay quiet and try to follow what's going on. We have over 100 and something persons on this call. We weren't calling everybody. We said we're picking 10 persons to give them industry so that we'll continue what we're doing. Please, I beg us, what we're doing tonight is a little bit complex in terms of organizing it for it to work. Don't make it more complex than it should be. Thank you. All right, I'm seeing 22, I'm seeing 20. I don't know though, but whatever it is, it's fine. So if it is that way, okay, 22, we're doing about 5. All right. So listen, everybody, listen. So you will not be left out. You will not say. So we have, if you're checking the call, we have Itidara for logistics, Emmanuel Christopher education, Favor real estate, Gideon Iwowari fashion. We have tourism, we have finance, we have entertainment, we have food delivery consultancy, events planning, electronics, cleaning agency, we have Tech Academy for kids. We have interior design. Michael, why we have Peak Sunday for intrastate transportation. We have furniture for Rose Jonah. We have, and all of that. We ended with Yusuf Bunya. Now, this is what you're going to do. Yes, Solomon Dagu, thank you. I think that spot was given to So, Solomon Dago, please, can you take sports? So come back. Just yeah, it was given to happiness. I don't know what happened. So, Solomon Dago, please take sports now. All right. Summer Queen. No, healthcare. Healthcare is already. Oh, that's true. No, the person I gave healthcare actually wrote it down. I can't remember who that person was, but I think the person wrote it down. I think the person wrote it down. That was like the second person. That was like the second person. Let me check down. Okay. Let's do this now. Thank you, Chris. Thank you so much, Chris. God bless you. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah, Daniel Healthcare. He has done it now. Daniel Healthcare. All right. So I can see it now. Healthcare is there. All right, Summer Queen, please, if you don't mind, you can clean. Please clean it up, Summer Queen. So let's have only those with category. Clean up the chat box. Let's have only those with categories. All right. Thanks, everyone. Please, I've seen the list. Don't send in anymore. Thank you. I think the one Grace and Source sent now is comprehensive. Chris as well. Chris has 21. I don't know which one he missed. Um, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Queen. Thank you. Please, Daniel, can you come now and drop for healthcare? If you've not dropped it before, because I think Summer Queen has cleaned it up because it came in the midst of that chaos. Aha. Thank you. All right, I think we're good. So listen, what we need to do, everyone, please, Chichi Jeremiah just mentioned that we have the list now already. So do us a favor, please. So this is what you're going to do. You will go under each of these categories in the chat box. Go under each of the categories. Reply to that one. Choose anyone. If you want logistics, you want education, go there, reply to that one. Just if you want logistics, reply logistics under logistics. Each group, each particular category is to take only 4 persons. So once you notice that there are more than 4 persons that have replied, look for another one. Please, let's do that in 3 minutes. So go under logistics, anyone you want. If it's education, if it's finance, consultancy, anyone you want, just go there, under it, reply under it. And if it's logistics, just reply logistics under logistics. So, but I said you're not going to do more than 4. If you go to reply and you see that it's already up to 4 persons there, look for another one. You see, some persons are just typing it directly. Someone like Shuroke Kayafat or Lainka, you're typing it directly. Angela Zubara, you're typing it directly. I said go and reply under that category. Summer Queen, please do your job. Anybody that's typing directly, you know what to do. So we know those who are with us here. Go under each of the categories and identify yourself. I don't know those who are typing under Grace in source post. You're on your own. Oh, you're on your own. We have each person with each category. Go under that person. If you're for Tech Academy for Kids, it's with Nimi Andrea Jack. Go under her own and just type in there. For example, I'm just checking logistics now. There are 3 people there. So one more person to make it complete. There is Josiah, there is Karinade, there is Gemini iPhone. Aha. I'm just checking back. Barilogi. Barilogi, there are 5 persons, and the last person there is David Coco. David Coco, look for another group. Look for another group. Each group is supposed to be 4. This is very serious. This group is supposed to be 4. Esther Emma, she says she can't type under any because she was logged out. So just hold on as they are replying. They will be coming back. So you pick anyone there. Okay, I'm just seeing the one for Madam Tamnofori Esther. You have 3 already, remaining 1. Christopher is the education. There are 2 persons there. You can still join in. Tech Academy for Kids is complete. You see how? In short, if I had my way today, wouldn't have streamed on YouTube because I would have wanted everyone on this call. So, Tech Academy for Kids is complete. So sorry, so sorry. You see how? Okay, so I'm giving everyone on YouTube for now. Everyone on YouTube, I'm giving you construction. Your industry is construction. Everyone on YouTube, your industry is construction. So everyone on YouTube, we're doing construction. Everyone on YouTube, we're doing construction. Yeah. So we're doing construction. We're doing construction and we're doing construction and poultry farming. So those of you on YouTube, pick any of these two. You can just be typing the one you want, either construction or poultry farming. Those of you on YouTube. Interior design, there are three persons now. Hope Ambassador, I don't think you're supposed to be. I thought you have your own this thing. Why are you under interior designs? Passion, I'm seeing 5. Queen Edith, we are complete already. Okay, thank you. Aha. Awesome. Furniture has one. So the rest of you, look out for furniture. Rose Jonah, look out for furniture. And furniture still needs 3 persons to complete it. Electronics is filled up. Cleaning agency is still open. Consultancy is still open. I think tourism is still open as well. Intrastate is complete now. Please, I beg you, make sure you're joining, no, because in your attendance for today, you are to indicate the group you joined, and each of these guys, they are going to do a screenshot and send back to us. So we're very intentional about this. Somewhere praise, we should start explaining to you what the group is for before you will. Like something we've spent almost an hour trying to do since we started. And instead of you to look out for a group and join and then follow through, we need us to explain to you first. Good luck. Very big good luck. Healthcare, I'm seeing 9 replies. I hope it's not that 9 persons have joined. Jesus. Please, health. There should be 4 persons here. The first person that joined is Uguez the Favor, followed by Confidence, followed by Lucy, followed by Karina De, Kelechi, Happiness, and Salem, Christian Baritondom, and then Neuronom. All of you will have to leave that group and look for another group. Tourism is still open. Cleaning services is still open. I think furniture is still open. Go and join them now before. Consultancy is still open. Look, tourism is open. Go and look for them and join now. Interior design is 3, remaining 1. Well, Presley tells, just hold on. As people are replying to some of them, you will see them to join. Logistics is more than 4. Please, the last person to join logistics, I beg you to step aside. Step aside now. And all of you want to follow Etidara, but I'm sorry, she can only have 4 disciples for today. Josiah Eme is there. Karina Day is there. Gemini iPhone is there. Ruth Chindu is there. Okay, thank you. See, Kenneth is asking Chago, is free to join? No, it's not free to join. You pay $1 million to join. Imato is they are looking for food delivery. I can't see anything of food delivery. Imato, please don't play with people's destiny. I beg you. So Hope Ambassador, entertainment is complete. Entertainment is complete. 4. Yeah. Food delivery is empty. You can join food delivery, or if you've not, join food delivery now. Okay? Food delivery is already 2. Food delivery is more than 4 now. So, Christian Baritondom, food delivery, Rain Precious, Justin Wilson, and Angela Zobari. The rest of you might have to leave. Waneka, you joined late today. You used to be very early and consistent. Waneka, you have to leave food delivery immediately. Presley Intels, you have to leave food delivery as well. It's complete. All right. Please, all the persons representing the categories, please, you can click the replies and take a screenshot of everyone who is under your category. So that means you're 5. That is 4 persons join your group plus you. That makes you 5. Please take a screenshot of everyone that joined your group. Take a screenshot of everyone that joined your group. Don't worry. This is how tonight is going to be. It's a very important night. We're creating a system. Rose Jonas said, I was logged out. I can't take a screenshot, sir, for furniture. Well, I think you should retype furniture, and everyone that joined furniture can come back and join again. Very important. Please, those of you that are still on the call, take a screenshot so that we can move up to step 2. Yusuf Bunya is oil and gas consultancy firm. Please, oil and gas consultancy is still empty. Education. Education is supposed to be complete by now. Emmanuel Christopher, your group is 6. Look out for the 2 last people there and ask them to leave. Kwane Donobari, what are you doing there? You're already late to join there. Eleya Kocha, you can't join education anymore. Look for another group and join. Interior design is only 3. One more person can quickly rush and join interior design now. Furniture is 3 now, remaining 1. Please, who is Dora with culinary? We didn't have any category as culinary. Please, I beg you, don't confuse people. I beg you. Soma Queen, please do your job. Interior design. Please, I did not say you should drop the screenshots here. Just hold the screenshot. You would send it. I'll tell you how to send it, please. Is furniture complete now? Please, if furniture is complete, screenshot Rose Jonah before your network will remove you again. Please. Okay, thank you. Oh, Summer Queen, sorry. If you were the one sending the screenshot, please go ahead. That's fine. I thought it was. Please, you're the only one that's allowed to do that. Thank you. Tell by Monica about here, and if you're lost, it's because you came late and you have to be lost. So just stay quiet on the call and follow through gradually. You're smart, you'll be able to later on. You can't just join in and immediately catch up what's going on for over an hour. Just calm down. Oil and gas consultancy, one, two, three. You have more than four persons there in oil and gas. The last two or three persons should leave, please. Someone had event planning. We can't see the person. All right, guys. So let's get to work. Let's continue. So we're done with step one. We're done with step one. On YouTube, we're doing construction and poultry. So I believe everyone has taken, yeah, construction and poultry, yeah. Construction and poultry. Please take note too, so that when I ask you to do what, you'll be able to know what to do. Just a minute. All right. So, Ruth, if you're ready, let's go to step two. If you're ready, let's go to step two. So let's go to step two. So remember, Ruth, step one, we said that we should choose an industry. All right. We should choose an industry. Now let's move to step two. Step two, let's create the business idea. Step two, let's create the business idea. All right. So let's type, let's create a prompt for it. Let's create a prompt for it. Permit me to close this. So let me share my screen. So you're going to modify whatever we're going to do now. All right. That's why I want us to be very clear on where we are. Excuse me. Okay. So now let us suggest that we have selected our idea. Okay. Remember from what we said earlier on, I can't see how where Etidara typed it, but remember we said that we've just been given 10 million naira, by an investor to build a startup, and we have 90 days to launch, and our mission or our goal is that we want to be able to use AI to design a complete business, all right? But we've gone ahead to choose our industry, okay? We've gone ahead to choose an industry. So what we're going to do is to simply so let's do this, please. Etidara, thank you. I'll need your help again. So please help me write as fast as you can, so I don't miss my lines while crafting it. So we can start by saying you are an experienced. Please, everybody, watch so that I know what to do. You are an experienced founder and venture capitalist. Okay, you're an experienced founder and venture capitalist. Okay. Okay. Somebody said I'm not sharing. Okay, sorry. Let me share my screen now. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen now. You are an experienced founder. By the way, OGEDS, OGEDS4. Just want to thank you for your consistency, right? Well done. So let's go. You are an experienced founder and venture capitalist. Is that what I said? Yeah. Okay, it's on the screen there. And so let me say, let me add full stop, and let's say suggest five innovative startups. Suggest five innovative startup idea. Okay. In the which industry should I use as an example? So it means that here you have to rework and put your own industry. Okay. Okay, so let me use in the healthcare sector. Let me use healthcare. In the healthcare sector for Nigeria. Remember, we talked about role playing. We talked about making sure that our prompt has context. Now pay attention. What we're doing is that I don't want to teach you what to think. I want to actually teach you how to think. So you can actually work on yours. For example, if you watch my own, I intentionally did not ask such thing like you're an experienced founder and venture capitalist, right? With 20 years or 2 decades of experience investing in startups across Africa and all of that. That's what I would have wanted to add. But I'm leaving that for you so that you can be able to tweak this thing. Like I said, I don't want you to check anywhere. I don't want you to, I just want you to use your head and say, okay, I think this part I would like to add this to this front, but you're going to change it to your own, to your group. Okay. So we can proceed to say, so let's give it requirements. So we can say requirements should include, requirements should include, requirements should include what should I say? Number one, I would like to say solve a real problem. Solve a real problem. That's number one. Number two, I like to say not more than 10 million naira, because that's what they're going to give to us. All right. Not more than 10 million naira. Then number three, what else? What else? Of course, that business should be scalable. All right. That business should be scalable. We can also say um, let's say customers willing to pay. Okay. Customers should be willing to pay. Okay, so sorry guys, I didn't know my mic was muted. So sorry. So sorry. So look at this. Number one, so we say requirements should include solve a problem, not more than 10 million naira, scalable, customers willing to pay. And I was saying, I didn't know my mic was muted. I was saying that if most of the products, if it's a tech product, of course, a startup, we can say AI powered, but if yours is not going to be like a startup, we can just leave that out. And then I say clear USP. USP means unique selling point, unique selling point. So I proceeded to add to say for each idea. Remember, we said it should suggest 5 innovative startup idea in the health care sector. All right. So for each idea, I want it to include the problem, the solution, the target customers. All right. I'm a business consultant, so I understand this very well. So it will be easy for us. So it should give us a problem. After that, give us solution. It should talk to us about the target customers. Most people prefer to call it the target audience. Okay. And then the revenue model, like what's the revenue model like? How do you intend to make money? It should also give us the competitive advantage. Now, another thing it should also give to us is the go-to-market strategy. That's what GTM stands for. So go-to-market strategy. Okay, like I said, we're not just um, um, crafting a prompt. So one of the things I can now do is to let me say I also want it to rank them. I would like it to rank them from, let's say, best to worst. Okay, I would like it to rank them from best to worst. So now listen carefully, everyone. So now this is what I want you to do. This is what I want you to do. So you have this already. You have this already. You are an experienced founder and venture capitalist. Like I said, we can add more things to that. Remember, we learned about role playing in depth. So we can now do role playing in depth here by allowing it go in depth to, define the role that this guy is playing. So we can say an experienced founder and venture capitalist with 3 decades of experience investing in startups and mentoring startup founders across Africa and Asia. So that alone gives it that depth, okay? Gives it that depth that we want, okay? Should I add it? Should I add something like that? Okay, so we have some here, so let me add it. Okay, with 3 decades of experience, with 3 decades of experience, investing in startups and mentoring founders in Africa. So let's do 2 decades because of course the startup ecosystem in Africa is okay. So yeah, investing in startups in Africa. So I say suggest 5 innovative. So I can even go ahead in Africa and I can add especially in Nigeria, okay, to really show that this person that you understand Nigeria so much to do what you're supposed to do. So I say suggest 5 innovative startups that we do in healthcare because I gave us various groups. Oh, sorry. Someone said I used 20 decades. Sorry, 2 decades. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. That's 2 decades. Yeah. So yeah, we have all of these. So now everyone, so you have your group, listen carefully. Listen carefully. For everyone, so let me see. Etidara, do you have this already typed or let me copy? Which one will be faster? Let me copy from my end and so let me copy from my end and paste in the chat box now. Okay, I think I've done that. Okay, so okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Angela Zobari. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, okay. So remember that I used healthcare. So you can't use healthcare unless you're in the healthcare group. If you're not in the healthcare group, then you cannot use healthcare. Okay, um this is so you go, please. So let's take this. Let's take this. Add it for your category. Add it for your category. Edit, add for your category. If there's any one or two things you want to add to it, that's fine. Also check the things you need to remove, okay? And then drop it in the chat box. Please, Summer Queen says, please, Summer Queen is the admin for tonight. So whatever she's saying, that's what we need to follow and do. She said, if you've not joined any group, join consultancy now. So go and check for consultancy and join the group, or the person in charge of consultancy should type it again so that those who are can join. Okay, it says filled up. It says filled up. It says filled up. All right, please. Ngozi, you're saying only you is there, but you have almost three persons or two who have joined your group. Cleaning services is complete. It's almost complete now. Okay. Yeah. So Imiato Fortune, I've seen for Imiato Fortune, go and edit, please. All the people heading the groups, before you drop the prompt, use capital letter and write your group first. For example, if your food delivery, write on top food delivery capital letter before you now drop your prompt, so that your group members will see it and know that this is your own, and they'll be able to make input in the reply section. So I think Tinutenda has joined. Okay, yeah, I can see you people's prompt Tinutenda. Okay, Glory Jaja, what's your group? Don't complain. Just mention your group so that those who don't have groups can join. Gloria Jaja, what's your group? Tourism, fine. So please, guys, look at Gloria Jaja. Just type only tourism in the chat box. Type only so that So if you don't have a group now, join tourism. Look at Gloria Jaja there. Go under her comment section. Go and reply her tourism. Go and reply tourism. Summer Queen, do your job. Those who are just typing, delete it so you know what to do. Go under her post and type tourism. Reply her. Don't type just on the chat box. Go under her post and reply her. Okay. Thank you, Barilogi. You too much. Yeah. Put your group very bold, capital letters before you post it. Jumbo patient. I say very bold. Make it capital letter. You people must learn how to follow instruction today. Gideon, you know what I say? Your group category, make it bold. Don't just say fashion. Make it bold. Capital letter. Capital letter. Capital letter. Thank you, Hawa Omar. If you're in sports. Oh, girls, I'm not entertainment. Thank you, Hope Ambassador. Nimi, thank you. Tech Academy for Kids, thank you. Peace, intrastate infrastructure, amazing, thank you. Okay, amazing. All right, let's go. So now you have it group by group. Let's paste that stuff. Let's paste it on. Let's paste it on ChatGPT now. Paste it on ChatGPT now. So let me send mine. Remember, I'm using healthcare. Yeah. Okay. All right. So if you can see my screen, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. So listen carefully. I'm going to copy this same prompt. I'm going to copy this same prompt. Please listen. We'll soon wrap up. I told you today's class is going to be somehow. And I'll go to DeepSeek. So I'm in DeepSeek now. I'm in DeepSeek. And then I will paste the same prompt on DeepSeek. Okay. Okay. So this is what is obtainable in my ChatGPT, in my DeepSeek. This is what I got for DeepSeek, so you can see. And then I'll go to I'm in I'm in Google AI Studio now. I've put it in Google AI Studio. This is my result from DeepSeek. I hope you can see. This is my result from DeepSeek, right? This is my result from ChatGPT. And then let me go one more. Let's give to Claude. So I've pasted in Claude. So I'm running in Claude now. So I have 4. And let me also do for $AI. So this is what $AI is saying. So I paste there, I also send it. So this is my response from dollar. This is my response from dollar. Okay. So I did this. I have about four. So I have about five. All right. So listen up, everyone. Yeah. So listen, everyone. A form will be dropped tonight. A form will be dropped tonight, and you're to select. Please, Summer Queen, you do well to forward all the groups to my WhatsApp, like just the group list. Forward it to my WhatsApp. Okay, just the group list, like healthcare, agriculture, just like that. I think about 22 of them. Forward it to me. So the link will be sent. So you go in and then fill it up. You're to select your group that you are in this class today. Okay, and one of the critical things there will be the link will be dropped tomorrow. Please listen carefully. The link will be dropped tomorrow before 7 p.m., but we'll drop it earlier, maybe around 3 or 4. It's also going to serve as attendance as usual. You select your group, and I've been begging since we're in this call, make sure you join a group. Make sure you join a group. Make sure you join a group. And all the ones that have their groups, I think their screenshots are ready. This is how serious it is. So one of the things you're going to do means that you're going to copy this prompt, put it in those 5 AI tools. You're not just looking at the results. You're to tell us which of these which of these AI tools do you think gave you the best results that you want to use? That's number one. That's number one. Which of them gave you the best results from what you did? Which of them gave you the best result? Is it ChatGPT? Is it DeepSeek? Is it Google AI Studio? Is it Claude? Is it Dollar? Just you will tell us which of them gave you the best result. So there'll be some other questions that I'm going to add there. And that is what we're going to continue from tomorrow. That's what we're going to be using from tomorrow to have our conversation. All right. So please, I'm just going to leave the call for like another 5 minutes so that those that their groups are not up to 4, the people in charge of those groups can drop so that those that have not joined now can join before we close this call. Those of you on YouTube, yours is construction and tourism already. Okay, those of you on YouTube, yours is construction and tourism, so we already know. So we're taking a screenshot of everyone on the call on YouTube, okay, so that it will flow smoothly. Consultancy said they need two. You can join now. I'm begging us now, please. Cleaning agency still need one or two. Look at it there. Join now. Join now. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. 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 Almost. All right, guys. So thank you. We're going to have a very important section tomorrow, reviewing stuff. And I want to thank you for your cooperation tonight. I really do appreciate it. Um, you guys did good. You guys did good. Please, I'll beg you if you're, of course, anyways. So thank you. I appreciate how you coordinated yourself, okay, up to this point. Thank you. And I'm happy you were able to see how we could do this together and spread things so that you can try out things on your own. So I'll see us tomorrow. Please don't be late. Tomorrow we need to start immediately because we'll have a lot of things to also do. So I'll see us tomorrow. Do have a wonderful evening, everyone. And I'll see you on the other side. Okay. Good night.